After the Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake was successful, fans were looking forward to seeing a sequel to it, but we were given a prequel instead. Prequels for me have always been hit and miss. Sometimes they're good, but a lot of the time they're bad. Films like the first two Star Wars prequels, Dumb and Dumberer, the two Exorcist prequels are all just terrible. But on the other hand, we have some good prequels like Star Wars Revenge of the Sith, Prometheus, X-Men First Class, and even Texas Chainsaw Massacre The Beginning. Yes, I really like this one. In fact, it's my favourite film in the series after the first film. I know it's gotten a lot of hate from critics and audiences seem mixed about it, but I still think it's pretty good. There's a ton of R. Lee Ermey, and once again he's the highlight of the movie. Despite the title, there isn't really much in it to make it a prequel. Of course, there's things like Leatherface's birth, him finding the chainsaw for the first time, Sheriff Hoyt becoming a sheriff, and a few extra bits, but it's more of just a sequel than a prequel. The story is the same as the other films in many ways, but in other ways it's the most different in the series after the second film. It is certainly the goriest in the series, and at times it can be downright vile. It doesn't have the same feeling of the original though, and it's not really that scary at all. The characters are likeable, and for the first time in the series I kind of felt sad for them when they died. Leatherface sadly isn't in the film much, but R. Lee Ermey certainly makes up for it and does a great job once again. I enjoyed this one even if a lot of people don't. I don't really have much else to say about this one except it's pretty good and I would definitely recommend it. I give it an A-.